Hello everyone and welcome to this exciting data science using Python course. I am Madhuri Gupta, MCA student at IIPS DAV Indore. I'm really excited to have you there. Whether you are just getting started or looking to deepen your knowledge in data science field, this course is definitely help you out. So let's see what are the topics we will cover in this course. Our first topic is basics of coding, whether it is on R or Python. I'll cover this course in Python. So our next topic is data preparation. We will see how to add index field, how to change misleading fields, how to re-express categorical fields and standardize numeric fields and all this. And our third topic will be exploratory data analysis. In this topic, we will see how to construct a bar graph, how to construct contingency tables and all this. Fourth will be data preparation phase to model the data. And it is very important phase. And the fifth one is model evaluation. Sixth is naive-Bayes classification. Seventh is neural networks. And eighth topic is very important, the clustering topic. And in this, we will demonstrate application of k-means clustering using Python. Our ninth topic will be regression modeling. Our 10th topic will be dimension reduction. 11th is logistic regression modeling. And last but not the least, the association rules. In this, we will see how to mine association rules and how to apply all these. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in this course. Thanks for watching.